Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Healthcare. My today topic is how to prevent your skin from sagging with the help of these 9 kitchen ingredients. Try these natural ingredients that are known for skin tightening to keep your skin from sagging. Unfortunately, you can't avoid sagging skin because it's part of growing old, but you can press pause on this process by taking care of your skin. Many of us look for medical treatments when it comes to skin tightening, but we forgot that it can cause harm and dependence in the long run. That's why finding a natural solution for skin tightening is the best way to deal with it. We are here with some really cool, inexpensive, and natural ways that can help you tighten up your skin without burning a hole in your pocket. The good news is that all these ingredients are easily available. First, let's unravel why our skin becomes saggy with age. Here are some common reasons that contribute to the process of aging. As we grow older, our skin undergoes multiple changes, be it physical or hormonal. There are many different factors that affect the process and changes that our skin goes through. Loose skin can appear anywhere on the body and face, but the most common areas are the neck, abdomen, and arms. One of the major causes behind loose skin is age. With growing age, our skin tends to lose collagen and elastin, the supportive connective tissues that makes it looks firm, plump, and youthful. Facial muscles can weaken with age and eventually resulting in loose skin. Sun exposure can affect the elasticity and collagen production of the skin too, but at a faster rate than aging. Sun damage caused by ultraviolet B radiation can affect the skin DNA and mutate it, leading to premature cellular death. This breaks down collagen and elastin in the skin, leading to losing up of skin, explained celebrity dermatologist. He added that certain weight loss can also affect the skin. Other factors include surgery and pregnancy. These can lead to the loss of volume in the skin due to the thinning of the fatty layers beneath the skin and stretching of ligaments. Recommended these 9 natural ingredients for skin tightening. Number 1. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a staple ingredient in many kitchens and can also be used to tighten the skin. Coconut oil is a powerful antioxidant that works to eliminate free radicals that can damage the skin. It also hydrates and moisturizes the skin, which prevents sagging. Skin tightening. Coconut oil will keep fine lines away. Number 2. Olive oil. Olive oil is the most simple yet effective remedy to lock moisture into the skin and keep it glowing. It is rich in antioxidants and vitamin E that tighten the skin and prevent photo damage. Honey. Number 3. Honey helps in hydrating dry skin, fighting the actions of free radicals, keeping the skin clean due to its antifungal and antibacterial properties, and reducing redness with its anti-inflammatory properties. These benefits can help delay the sagging of skin, making it smoother and younger. Number 4. Coffee. Coffee can be used at night to tighten the skin and delay the signs of aging. It has a high content of antioxidants that slow the process of skin aging. When it is used as a scrub, it exfoliates the skin. Skin tightening. Coffee is here to reduce wrinkle and fine lines. Number 5. Aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is one of the best home remedies that can be used for skin tightening. It has malic acid, which improves the elasticity of the skin. Number 6. Cucumber. Cucumber is considered to be the best in natural skin toner. It can tighten loose and saggy skin without causing any side effects or allergic reactions. In addition, it can refresh and rejuvenate tired skin. Number 7. Egg. Egg white contains albumin protein, making it a great remedy for sagging skin. It improves the skin texture by rebuilding the cells of the skin. Yogurt. Yogurt makes the skin smooth and helps to tighten wrinkled skin. It contains lactic acid. When yogurt is applied to the skin, the lactic acid present in it works to shrink the pores, resulting in tighter and smoother skin. Lemon. Vitamin C present in lemon boosts the production of collagen and helps to restore elasticity to the skin. It has astringent properties that work as a wrinkle reducing and skin tightening remedy. Skin tightening. Lemon, a home hack for glowing skin that never backfires. Here are 4 face masks that you can prepare at home to avoid sagging skin. Number 1. Banana face mask. Add a few drops of lemon juice to mashed banana. Apply this on the face and neck. Leave this pack on the face for about 15 minutes and then wash it off with water. You can use this pack twice a week. Number 2. Coffee face pack. Mix 1/4 cup of ground coffee, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and half teaspoon of cinnamon till all these ingredients form a paste. Use this paste to gently scrub the face and neck area. Scrub your face for about 5 minutes and rinse it off with lukewarm water. Egg honey face mask. Mix 1 egg white with 2 teaspoons of honey to make a paste. Apply this paste to your face and neck. Wait for 15 minutes till it dries off and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. This face mask can give you a protein and vitamin boost. Apply this mask on your face at least 2 times a week. Skin tightening. From egg to honey, these natural ingredients are better at preventing premature aging. Aloe vera gel face mask. Take 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of honey to it. Make a thick paste and apply the mask to the face, neck and chest. Let it dry for the 15 minutes. After that, rinse it off with lukewarm water. So use ingredients right in your kitchen to keep your skin tight. Thank you.